Now we'll be starting Inmarsat B, that how it works and what are the questions, probable questions they may ask. Okay, so Inmarsat B, first thing is that we have to go on chart and update the position of the vessel. So in this case I am taking 30 degree north and 60 west. Okay, so I'll now update it 30 degree north, 30 degree north, 30 degree north, okay, and 60 degree, or I'm sorry, 060 east west. Okay, so I have to change it to west. Okay, now okay, so it is going somewhere here. Actually this position is not correct because it's going on the land, so we'll just drag it somewhere, like move, do it somewhere here. Okay, keep it like somewhere here in the Singapore region. Okay, so this is now I have updated the position on chart. Next thing is that we have to go on update, see the GPS. So GPS is correct, 13 degrees south and it's 6 degrees south. Remember earlier position was not correct, so we'll take this position. Now in the Inmarsat B we have to on the, already it is on, you can do on off from here, so it is on. Okay, next thing that change view, switch on the printer. Okay, printer is on. Okay, now there's two things. There are two types of alias, distress default alias and second is routine alias. Okay, so for distress, first we have to choose the ocean region. So ocean region we have to go to satellite turn, exit this change, then select and ocean region. Okay, now it's in the ocean region, it is showing East Atlantic. No, we are in the Indian Ocean region, so Indian Ocean select. Okay, now it has been selected. Now here is CES. Okay, so if we update CES here, okay, if we update CES here, so this CES, like if we are for example we'll take two, like one is Sentosa and one is Perth. Okay, we'll do one Sentosa, Perth, Puno. We'll keep rounding around these three. Okay, so I will be taking Sentosa as a default DS and Perth as for telephony routine, and Pune, that is RVCS, I'll take for the telex routine. Okay, so sorry, Inmarsat B. Here we have to select CS, that is Sentosa Perth. So here I am selecting Perth for the routine, so select. Okay, now go to escape, hook up, ready. Okay, now this is ready for the routine message. It will go through the Perth because I have selected from this way. Now to choose the default distress alias, you have to go here, saved, hit setup, means I have to set up. Next come to CES. Okay, CES, then default CS. Okay, now for the distress. Okay, now here you have to ocean region is Indian Ocean, that is correct. Now CS, I am selecting this Sentosa. You can do up and down, but we will be selecting CS for default alias. Will be default distress alias will be CS. Will be selecting Sentosa. Okay, Sentosa. Now escape. Now right click, will get the distress button. If you'll be clicking distress 5 seconds here, so see this counting is going, so it will be going through what? It will go through Sentosa. Press S. Okay, so it is calling. So now it will be calling to MRCC through Sentosa because I have selected the Sentosa as a default distress alias. Okay, so now it is calling. Further it will come online, so we'll wait for a minute. Now conversation means you can start the conversation. Okay, that is done. Next, like if you have to do the routine call, like medical, means in Inmarsat B, anything except distress, that is anything except distress, that is safety, urgency, routine, all comes under the routine alias. So we have selected the routine alias. If you remember, we selected from this way, that is Perth. So this will go via Perth. So like if you have to do now, hook up 32, take the call 32, that is medical advice. So if you will call, okay, 3 3 2, like we have to call 3 2, now it will call. Okay, now this will be connected to medical, for the medical advice, through the Perth, okay, not through the Sentosa, because we are selecting it by the routine alias. Okay, so now it is calling. Now we'll see. Conversation. So you can ask for medical advice through this. Okay, we'll cut the phone. Escape. Now second, change view. This is the telex. Okay, from telex also we can send both distress as well as routine. And same if we'll send this distress. Okay, so this will go to the through the Sentosa, because we have select the Sentosa as a default distress alias, CS. Okay, now so for telex what we have to do, that first we have to, for distress, that you have to prepare the message. Okay, how we will prepare, we'll see in the next video.